Hi there, welcome to the Quantum Kitty channel. We're so excited to unbox the latest and hottest, newest Sanrio Characters blind box. It's the Little Cape series. Isn't it so cute? So without further ado, let's start unboxing. Let's start with this one. Ooh, look at the box. It's got Hello Kitty and look, it changes faces. It's so cute. Surprise box pendant. And it has 8 types. Look, it swaps faces like this. Which one? I'm going to guess that this one is Pompompurin. Oh look, it's Kuromi. Isn't she cute? Here is her card. Oh my goodness, she's in love. She's happy. And she's winking again. Little twin stars. It's Cinnamoroll! Cute little floppy ears. Pochacco. Okay, let's find her so she has some company. Yay! We found her with the pigtails. Yay! Now she's happy. Check out the little bows and her pigtails with the little stars on the end. So cute! Okay, let's find Pochacco. Ah, so cute! It's Pochacco! We found him. Hi there. Who are we still missing? I'm guessing this one's going to be Pompompurin. Whoa! I guess this is Melody. Say hi. Hello. And I love the little bows on her little jacket and her cute bow up here with the 2 bunny ears. We're still missing Kitty. Is this Hello Kitty? Ah, it's Pompompurin, finally. Whoa, and he's got a little bow here and here. Okay, last but not least, this is definitely Kitty. Yay, it's Hello Kitty in her cute little bear outfit. 2 little bows on her cape. Here's the back. Which one was your favorite? And if you're interested in any of the items shown today, I'll put links down in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye now!